You can find this course on schooldesign.net. Join on Facebook website and group. The full course you can watch on Udemy. You can find course and files on patreon.com. The full course you can watch on Skillshare.
Okay, and this is our last project in this tutorial. In Keyshot, I will not go from the whole texturing process because we already know how to do this. I just show you how I use everything together, like backplates, HDRI, lights, and composite them everything in one final scene. So before we start, I want to show you some website which is HDRI Heaven. Here you can find some free HDRI together with the backplates. So this is the website hdriheaven.com, and to this project I choose this HDRI. You can also see how the reflection look like in different angle. You can download the resolution. The higher it is, the better, but you must understand that you will need the better workstation. For better visualization, I recommend to use at least 8K resolution. The better will be 16, but it will, as I told you before, require a really good computer speed. What is more, you have also backplates, so you can use one of those here. I just use this one. Okay, so we have already textured our car. So the first one, I just used my lighting environment, so this means that my HDRI as a background. I just put some size and height. I just set some brightness and contrast. I also add the ground shadows and occlusion ground shadows and set some ground sides. After that, I loaded my backplates image, and with camera and match perspective, I just put the car on the ground. Okay, after that, I decided to add some lights. All the lights are image pin, and as my image, I just use my backplates. So I just put the lights here, here in this area, something for a back fender, and for front bumper. Okay, after that I decided to add ground plane, and you can see that we have some LED lights here. This is why I decided to add also the light for the ground. So I add 2 cylinder from add geometry cylinder, and as a cylinder I just add the IS light. IS lights, this is some kind of light that you add from your PC. Different lights put different shadows on our ground or on our other elements. This light has dimension IES, and with the multiplayer you can increase them, and together with the radius. And the last thing, I just add the plane to the bottom. the plane is the area light with this color. I change it to what and set some value. I just put apply for front geometry and visible to camera, and I increase the samples to 9. And as you can see, as a result, we have the scene something like this. Material, so this is environment. I also just put the brightness and contrast for 0. Lighting, custom, shadow quality for higher one, ground, illumination, self shadows, ray bounce, global, casting and product. For camera and for image, I just use the basic settings, exposure, gamma, bloom, make our corner darkness, and this is everything that I use for this render. At the end, for post-production, I just use only cross-processing from Nick collection, so this give us a little better brightness of our image. Okay, so this is everything. Now you can see that we can also just change the position of our car. So this is everything about the rendering in Keyshot. I hope you enjoyed this course, and if you want to know how to model a car like this one, check the rest course from my profile site.